G'day, in this video we're looking at where lines only have one intercept. So with this one, we got the form of y is equal to negative 2x. And when we have this form of y is equal to mx, so there's no c at the end, so normally we have the plus c, but we have none of this in this. This just means that it goes through the origin, okay? So it goes through our origin, and the origin is 0, 0, so right in the middle of our graph there, okay? Because you can check and substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, and it'll end up just giving you an answer of 0, okay? So it goes through the origin because we don't have that y-intercept there, okay? So just checking this, and as I was saying, you got y. If we did x is equal to 0, so our y-intercept, you would have negative 2 times 0, so y would also equal 0, which gives us a point of 0, 0. So that's showing you how it goes through the origin. So now all we need to do is find another point, because you always need 2 points to graph, okay? So what we actually do is we just pick another value to go off. So I'm going to pick the value of 1. You could pick -1, you could pick 5, you could pick 100 if you really wanted to. But I'm just going to pick, it's normally easiest just to pick 1 because it's a very easy number to work with. Okay, so I'm going to pick x is equal to 1 and find what y is. Okay, so hopefully you can see what it's already got to equal already. So y is equal to negative 2 times 1. We've got y is equal to negative 2, so this gives us the point of 1, negative 2. So now we have 2 points. We've got our origin, okay, and then we have our value of 1 and negative 2. And I should move that because that's going to be in the way. Ooh, I raised too much there. So that's our point of 0, 0 there. Okay, so I've got our point of 1, go down negative 2, alright, and we've got this point here. So now we just need to draw a straight line in between our 2 points here and continue it through upwards and downwards. Hopefully you use a ruler so it's a little bit straighter than mine. Label what it is. Y is equal to negative 2x. As always, remember to label your x and y axes. Okay, and that gives you the values. I'm just going to say 1 and negative 2 there, and always label these points as well. It's always good just to label to make it clear which points you used. Okay, you can add the rest of your scale as well to give a bit of meaning. It's not really essential as long as you list the actual points that you've written down. So your 0, 0 and 1, negative 2 there. Alright, so with this, just remember, if you don't have a c value, it's got to go through our origin. Okay, so if it's in the form of y is equal to mx, like this, it goes through your origin 0, 0, and then you just need to pick another point. Okay, so you just pick another point and you can use any value of x or y and just solve for the other to get your point, and then you've got 2 points and now you can actually graph it. Okay, so I've got my 2 points here and then I drew my line, okay, from these 2 points. Alright, so hopefully this helps and good luck.